frizzy, messy and damaged. These three words perfectly describe the state of our hair during the monsoon. Leave them open and they'll turn into a frizzy mess. Tie them into a ponytail and it'll end up looking limp and flat. Ugh, these battles are never ending, right? चलो आज इस प्रॉब्लम को फाइनली सॉल्व कर ही देते हैं। Hi guys, I'm Smriti और आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी 3 easy monsoon hairstyles every girl should know। लेकिन उससे पहले अगर आप नए हो तो हमारे बी ब्यूटीफुल चैनल को प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करो एंड ऑल्सो हिट द बेल आइकन ताकि आप हमेशा अपडेटेड रहो विद ऑल आवर लेटेस्ट वीडियोस। अब हम ये तो जानते ही है दैट मॉनसून इक्वल्स फ्रिज व्हिच कैन बी सुपर अनोइंग, सो इट्स बेस्ट टू ऑप्ट फॉर हेयर स्टाइल्स दैट विल इंस्टेंटली हाइड योर फ्रिज व्हाइल ऑल्सो मेकिंग योर हेयर स्टाइल स्टैंड आउट। तो हेयर स्टाइल शुरू करने से पहले आई लाइक टू अप्लाई अ सीरम रेगुलरली इन दिस सीजन because serums not only control frizz and dryness but also help maintain a shinier, healthier looking mane. My go-to serum is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Hair Serum. It contains camellia oil which will help moisturize your dry, frizzy hair, making it soft and easier to style. Plus, it will help restore the natural shine of your strands. मैं इसके 2 to 3 drops हाथों पे लूंगी और फिर I will apply it along the lengths of my hair. And now we're ready to start with the hairstyles. Start by pulling out 2 hair tendrils from the front, then take a small section of hair from both sides and secure it with a hair tie. Take another small section of hair from both sides and secure that too with a hair tie. Repeat the same step by taking sections and securing it with a hair tie till you reach the very end of your hair. Pretty simple, right? अब मैंने जो इतने अच्छे से हेयर स्टाइल बनाया है उसे बरकरार रखने के लिए I'm going to apply hair spray. I'm going to be using the Tresemme compressed micro mist invisible hold hairspray. It is fast drying, controls frizz and the effects of humidity. और सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट ऑफ यूजिंग अ हेयर स्प्रे इज दैट कि ये आपके हेयर स्टाइल की शेप को होल्ड करेगा, जिसकी वजह से द हेयर स्टाइल दैट you've created will stay put all day. Start by creating a center part all the way till the back. Then secure one side of the section with a hair tie. For the other side, take a small section of hair from the front and secure it with a hair tie. Go ahead and take another section of hair, then leave the first section over it and secure both with a hair tie. Keep repeating the same step till you reach the nape of the neck. Take a section of hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the hair tie. Repeat the same exact steps on the other side as well. I love how this hairstyle turned out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Start by creating a center part all the way till the back. Remove small tendrils of hair from the front and secure them with a hair tie. When you're about to reach the last knot, stop midway. Don't pull out all of the hair. Then take the left out hair and wrap it around the hair tie. Repeat the same on the other side. Then take the first bun, create a gap and pull out the second bun through it. Secure the buns with some pins and add a scarf or hair tie over it. perfect hairstyle to style the frizzy mess in monsoons. So guys, ये थे मेरे 3 favorite easy monsoon hairstyles that every girl should know. जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को like और share करें and also subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.